Hello guys and girls, this is Shubham. Very good morning to all of you. Uh, yeah, I come up again a new video in which I'm going to talk about the two important pairs which I'm looking for the short, and I'm going to talk about why I'm looking for the short and the psychology behind that, each and everything. Just watch till the end of this video. You will get lots of value from that. So let's start with it. If you look at this in a in a screen currently, we are working on a EURJPY. EURJPY is looking very good for the short because of the psychological perspective also, and because of the price action breakout also. If you can see right now in the front of the chart, we are in the EURJPY and the price was in extension of the extension, making the extension of the structure. This whole move is the extension of the structure. This is the extension of the ascending channel structure. You can see this. The price was moving into the ascending channel structure, and from that ascending channel structure, price come to the extension structure, which is indicating that from the top we will move down. If you look at the price action behavior, we will getting the same price action structure which we was getting 2 months before. So what is that? Let me talk about this. Go with the back. If you look at this in a daily time frame structure, when we were at this level, I was thinking that the price will move down. I was thinking that the price will take some correction at this level and then it will move down and complete the ascending channel structure as a whole. But what happened? The price moved up because the JPY pairs has a very good momentum in last 2 months. The price moved up and we end up making the very big extension structure in a GP-JPY. But sorry, in a EURJPY. But what happening right now in current structure, we have break that extension structure. If I'm going to go in a small time frame structure, you will see that from the very good rally for the upside, this is what very good rally for the upside in GP-JPY we were getting. In not only GP-JPY, all the JPY pairs which has a dominated currency JPY moved up like massive. So there is a strongness in JPY. That's why the price moved up, and the price made very good extension level in GP-JPY, in EURJPY, JPY. Sorry. So what is this? I'm looking this. The price is moving to completely down. I'm looking that the price will move completely to the downside, maybe in a 1 month or in a 2 months. But this is a very long term view. What is this currently? I'm thinking right now in the price action structure. It is also very important to think. If you look at this, the price action structure is moving into the extension structure. This was moving into the ascending channel structure, and from the top of the ascending channel structure is moved down. If you look at this in a 4 hourly time frame structure, you will see that from the top of the ascending channel structure, the price was moving into the top of the ascending channel structure, and from the top, we moved down as a very impulsive move. You can see this. From the top of the structure, price moved down very impulsively, and price moved up for retesting that level. Currently, I'm looking this, the price will move down from this level because it has retested its previous level. Price has retested its previous level, which is indicating that the price will have to move down from that level. So what I'm thinking, the psychology is very clear at this level. Because the price was moving into the ascending channel structure in a daily time frame, and this was the extension structure, the direction is very clear. I'm getting which is that the price will have to move down from up to that level, up to the 2 or 3 months, or maybe if we get the same volatility which we get right now in recent, there's a higher possibility that we can get target within a month or 2 months. So this is a very long term view. If you play a short term, if you wanted to play a short term, you can also trade this for the short term, for the short side. The direction is very clear. When you have to get enter, when you have to get exit, this will decide the current price action structure. If you look at this, we get very good pushback after moving downside. We get very good pushback. This is just retesting that level. This is price. Whenever the price break any kind of price action structure, in a price action there's a 90% possibility that the price will come up to that level for retesting that level. So right now the price has retested. What I'm looking for this in this, I'm looking for the short. I'm looking for any kind of price action breakout which will give me a confirmation. Direction is clear. Direction is one thing, and to get entry and to get exit is another part, which will help to identify the price action structure. If you look at this through point of view on a price action structure, you will see that after the impulsive move, we get some correction, and it was a good trade. If we get trade at this point for the continuation, this would be amazing. This would be amazing trade. Then again we get a very impulsive move. After getting correction, it again move up. So what is this? The after the impulsive move, we get correction and we get continuation. The price is, this is a very important resistance level for the price, because this was a previous two support level, so that this is taking the very important level, important resistance level for the price. So what I'm looking for currently, I'm looking for any kind of price action breakout over here. Maybe it will be a head and shoulder structure. Maybe it will be a flag structure just like this. After moving the impulsive move, it takes some correction, then it will move down. So wait for the level, wait for the price action structure. It may also that can move like this is also a very high structure. You can see this in a small time frame structure. You will see that we are getting support. We are getting support from the trend line. This was a low, this was a low, this was a low. So what? From the trend line, price pushing towards upside. This is a little bit of indication that is that possible the price will move up, break the resistance level, which is which is very common, and here is a mass psychology work. Here at this point, people think that the price has break. The new traders who are working in this market and the trader who lose money in this market, they are thinking that the price has break the resistance level, so it will move down from up that level. But it is not happening in this market. Market is very imperfect. Market is not perfect. If you look at this, so what we have to look for? We have to look for the reversal structure. There's a lots of time it has happened that price break the resistance level and support level, and it again back to structure. And run in the same direction. So what I'm looking for, maybe it will move up, then it will completely push back to the downside, then it will move down. So what will be the high value area? This is the high value area for the price action structure to go short. If you look at the high value area, this will be a high value area for the short. But this is what? This is a possible, this is a probable outcome. This is not going to happen. This is a forecasting we did. But what can happen? It can also happen that the price will move down completely. Price will move down very impulsively, and after the impulsive move, we get some kind of correction, then it will move down. So this is what? This is we are doing forecasting over here. This is a high value area I'm sharing with you. So make sure, wait for the price action breakout at this level. Make sure there's a any kind of reversal structure which is like this currently, which I'm making. Maybe there is a possibility that the price will move up and then it will move down, then it will move down completely. So this is how you have to define to get entry on that. The price currently in a very high value area, we have to look for the very patiently with the confirmation for getting entered into this trade. So this is the first thing I'm looking for. The it is have a very long term view, but as per the price action structure, this will be a low of the our first target, and this will be a low of the low of this price action structure will be a second target. So what is this? This is going to be a good trade. Never chase, because you have a very big margin to capitalize. You have a very big move to capitalize. Do not chase at this level that you are going to miss trade. No, you will get opportunity to trade in at this level. Wait for the right level to confirmation. Just like if the price will move down, wait for the confirmation like this. If the price will move down, there is a possibility the price will again move up, retest that level, then it will move down. Wait for the right level of confirmation so that you can capitalize the move, and never just get hesitated or never just get FOMO, fear of missing out, because you're because from the high value rate is moving down. Just wait with the patience and trade according to your plan and after getting the confirmation. So this is a first pair EURJPY which I was looking for the short, so I have shared with you. The second thing which I wanted to share with you is a USDJPY. USDJPY is also in a very high value area. You always have to look for the high value area if you are trading price action and if you are trading any kind of price action structure. So what is the high value area currently I'm looking for? If you look at this is a daily time frame, and in a daily time frame we are getting the double top structure. The price is at the top of the double top structure, and in a daily time frame structure, this whole is called the reversal structure. If you look at this in a daily time frame structure, the whole structure is called the reversal structure, and this price action structure which is right now moving at this level, this is called the reversal structure for the 4-hourly time frame structure. If you look at this in a 4-hourly time frame structure, this is a 4-hourly time frame I'm talking about. You will see that the price is also moving into the ascending channel structure. which is this ascending channel is a reversal structure for the 1 hour for the daily time frame structure, but in a 4-hourly time frame structure you can also trade this. You can see this here at the top of the third touch, first touch, second touch, and this was the top of the third touch, and from the top of the third touch it moved down impulsively. I have a trade on this. I got entered from the top. I got entered when the price was pushed back it again come for retesting. As you can see that I always wait for the indication, the confirmation. I do not trade only indication. From the top of the structure it moved down. From the top of the structure it moved down, and I wait for the price action structure to get entered. After getting entered, I keep my stop loss above the recent high, and it's moving completely in my favor right now. But what happened right now in a price action structure, I'm looking at in a 15-minute time frame structure. If you move into the 15-minute time frame structure, by the way, I have revised my stop loss at the cost. I have a risk-free trade on this. I have revised my stop loss at the cost because I am getting some different view. If you look at this is a double top structure. From the double top structure, the price is moving down. The direction is very clear. The price should have to move down. But when we have to get enter and when we have to get exit, it is most important thing also. So if you look at this in a 15-minute time frame structure, you will see that the price is also moving into the ascending channel structure. If I just remove this, you will see that this is also kind of channel which was indicating me that it was made impulse. After the impulse, it made correction and it moved up for the continuation. I thought that it will move up and I will get again chance to get entered from the top of the structure. So, but what happened at that time? My stop loss will triggered. So what I did, I revised my stop loss and make my trade risk free because I was getting indication that it can move up. It can move up for retesting that level for making the third touch of the structure, and from the top again it moved down. So this is the forecasting we are doing in this market. If you look at this is a forecasting. This is what I am thinking right now in a market, that the price will have to move down, although price will have to move down, but when to enter and when to exit is a very, very important thing. If the price will move down at this level, let me show you in a 1 hour time frame structure. Yeah. So what if the price will move down from the top of the structure? Then there's a possibility that we will get any kind of correction, because after the breakout the price action structure, we get correction for the trade, and after getting the correction we get continuation for the downside. So this will be a high value area for you to get entered in this market. So yeah, I hope you understand this, why I'm looking this for the short, what's the reason behind, what's the psychology behind this, and each and everything is very clear. Follow the price action structure, follow the high value time frame structure, so that you can understand the direction about the things, about the pairs, and trade according to that. So yeah, USDJPY is looking for the good for short. This will be a first target, this will be a second target, and essentially this will be a third target, the low of the structure. So this is how you have to forecasting. You have to wait for the high value area to get entered into this market. This is called the pattern separation. This is another part I will talk about in another video when I will make in future. So just wait for the right level of entry. USDJPY and EURJPY both are looking very solid for the short. I have very long view in a EURJPY. If EURJPY is very in a high value area, and we will have to look for the a very good time to enter in this market. Never chase this. You will get opportunity to get enter. If you miss from this level, from the high value area, maybe that the price will move impulsively and you will get correction and then you will get entered. So take entry at that point. Wait for the right level of confirmation I'm talking about. Trading is all about the confirmation, because price action always give you indication. You are getting indication that the EURJPY will have to move down. You can sell right at this level also, but what if after the selling it will move out? It will move up. That's why I'm telling you, always wait for the confirmation to get entered into the market. I hope you understand, and I hope you love this video. Thank you. And if you like this video, subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram also, so that you can update it on my content, and follow me on subscribe my video on YouTube, and please press the bell icon. Thank you.